Huh. Let's share that screen. See, liquid IV. Okay, so what is this? Yeah, I typed in Copilot under apps. You go to view more apps and then get more apps, I guess. And I type Copilot. I checked for Facilitator too, but it's got nothing yet. But so I know what Copilot for Sales is. We don't have that turned on, or at least I'm not in the sales part of Chevron, so I can't see it. Uh, Avant of Ascent Copilot and Skills Copilot are different companies, and they just like the name Copilot. But look at this workflows. So I know from this icon that this is Dataverse related, and this is Planner related. But let's play. I should stop this video right now, but I'm procrastinating currently from the stuff I need to do on my PMP. Um, and Copilot's a good procrastinator, and Copilot's, it's writing most of it. So, yeah. Huh. Sign in. I didn't drink enough water this weekend, so I'm putting electrolytes. There's no IV related to this. What's wrong here? So can you fix the connection? Hmm. Okay, so add workflow. I'm not even changing the name of it. We can fast forward through this part. Workflow added successfully. Click done. Oh, I should have clicked add to workflow. Okay. I'll go play with these. I'll probably come back and put another recording out this because this is a slow. Dataverse connection should be quick. However, there's no Dataverse available in the personal productivity environment. And this is probably writing to the personal productivity environment. That might explain invalid connection, but let's check it anyway. Interesting. So it's trying to it created something. So I have dev environments for Copilot Studio. Uh, so it might be creating it there since it actually can't execute a Dataverse connection in the personal productivity environment. Let's see. Don't try it now. Connection. So how do I pop this out into the browser? New window. No, go to website maybe. Let's see, I got Windows 11 too already, but I moved my start menu and stuff over to the left. Got rid of that extra junk, so it looks more like Windows 10. It's just I don't feel like changing it. Okay, so this was it pushed me into the personal productivity environment, but when I go to my flows, let's see if those new ones are here. Interesting. So yeah, I think this was the one. Yeah, this was the one for a Dataverse connection. So if that's there, that Dataverse connection should show up right here. Yeah, there it is. Interesting. Let's edit it and take a closer look. Excuse me, that was a weird sneeze. Interesting. Table name approvals. No idea. The table approvals is not one I've created. Is one that when you create a dev environment, I know it creates a bunch of tables out there for you to be able to utilize. That's probably one of them, but there shouldn't be one in the personal productivity environment. And that's thoroughly where we are. See, personal productivity environment. And it ran. Yeah, it ran. So if I click done and after a test, I don't have to go to the flow runs page and then dig into the specific one. I can just click done and it'll bring me straight to the results. Only happens when you test. So I got green check marks here. Let's get that out of the way. So it ran and then it got incomplete approvals. And it continued. It's got 4 things that happened here. Okay. And it returns a response here. Where did it return it to? I don't know. I'll just look at that later. I just want to know where. Right now, I want to know where the Dataverse is. Is this something new? I have to check with Berna to see if did we now have the ability to use a Dataverse in personal productivity environment? I don't even know what that will mean. Dynamics. It says dynamics here. I don't know. That doesn't mean it's dynamics. Or the Power Platform stuff is based on was first created for Microsoft Dynamics. You don't know what it is, just don't worry about it. You know, unless you're using it, you don't need to really. Entity name. I don't know. I'll look at it a little closer later. Maybe give another video on it.